What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushy S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome back to another fire 2-minute tutorial Tuesday, peeps, where we're recording this on a Wednesday. Guys, I'm going to be showing you today how to control your skipping ropes within kind of your combinations, right? You guys want to know how to skip the Rush Athletics way. This is my methodology, and it is as simple as this, right? We're going to be teaching you today a nice, easy, kind of couple of fluid combinations, hopefully within the 2 minutes, and you'll learn how I go from fast to slow and manage my combinations, all right? So we're going to get straight into this. 2 minutes here, someone on the clock. Remember, if you haven't already picked up your RA speed ropes, go check it out online. YouTube 10 will get you 10% discount, get you flying boss straight away. Right, peeps, straight away, right? I've done this so many times now on all my tutorials. I teach you about going slow and then increasing the speed and then back to slow. Same with double unders here, slow, fast, slow. All right, we need to now start to piece this together. Now, the reason why people say to me that my combos look more eye-catching, a bit more aesthetically pleasing, fluid, etc., is because I know how to go from fast to slow, and I'm going to show you a nice, cool combination to get that started, right? So, for example, when you want to start doing any combinations, people, I want you to start thinking what's going to be the fast element and what's going to be the slow element. So, for example, if I want to go start slow, southpaw double unders, whilst I'm in this kind of slow phase, we can increase the speed, back to slow, just like that. All right, now I'm going to take you through that, but in my head, this is what I'm thinking, right? We're going slow, and at this point, I'm starting to think the next segment of this combination is going to be fast side swing hops, right? Mayweather hops. So I'm piecing it together in my head here, waiting for the right time, and then we go into fast. Now, all you got to simply do at this point is, again, stay balanced, engage your core. You don't want to be going at 1,000,000 miles an hour. One of the things that a lot of people go wrong, they're just going at 1,000,000 miles an hour every single part of their combination. Looks messy, they don't have control. And right now, you can see how out of breath I am trying to talk through this, but you want to just make sure you know what you're doing next, right? That's my fast motion. Whilst I'm in that fast motion, I know the third part of that combination is my side swing cross with the hop that I'm going into at 360. I know when you're going slow that here I've got to keep my balance, get set, because now I'm in my fast phase, all right? Here in my fast phase, 1, 2, hit these combinations here, spin, and then I'm slow. Right, full sequence, right? We started slow, show you the slow southpaws. You can increase the speed a little bit on the landing, fast, back to slow. The reason why I love this combination, guys, is when I finish that 360, I slow the whole thing down. Something that I do kind of personally. You don't have to follow these exact kind of combinations, fast, slow, fast, slow. I just want you to build your own combinations and be able to go slow, fast when it suits you. For me, when I finish that 360 now, here, for me, it's just back to boxer step and it's nice and chilled. Now, another good aspect of doing combinations like this is the fact that you can go for longer, kind of build stamina, endurance. You're less likely to trip. Again, if you go 1,000,000 miles an hour, most of the time, people who are learning this thing kind of get it wrong because they're out of breath, like me. But you're more likely to trip up, more likely to look more off balance, awkward, and we don't want that, all right? So remember, try go fast in small segments, slow in other segments, piece it together, record yourselves, use a mirror. You'll see what parts look best, fast and slow. Build up the strength, build up the stamina, endurance. Try that combination and yeah, tag me on Instagram if you give it a go. So peeps, that was a quick tutorial. Hopefully you found it very useful. Give this video a big thumbs up. That'd be really useful for me as well. Smash the subscribe button as usual. We'll see you in that next video as always. So take care of yourself. Skip the treadmill. Stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.